Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to one more video series in my crypto pal, and this is about how to improve your trading psychology and trading mindset. Okay. Now, if you have not watched the video of secrets of becoming a profitable trader, I'll put the link on top. I'll suggest please go and watch that video before you watch this because I cover the whole 10 secrets over there. And if you watch that video, then you don't need to watch any other video on YouTube. That is the only video you need to see. Okay. That is why the video has gotten a little lengthy over there. And in this video, what we'll try to do is in this video series, we'll try to take one mistakes and I'll try to show you on live charts that how to develop your psychology and mindset. Okay. Now, guys, I can make all fancy videos about options trading and futures trading and show you how to trade 100x leverage on 1 minute time frame to pull as many subscribers as possible. But that is not the goal of the channel. The goal of the channel is to help you or help anyone who is starting out to become a profitable trader and how to survive the journey of trading with us. Yeah. Now, it doesn't matter you are in crypto trading, you are in stock market trading, you are in options trading, you are in futures trading. One thing which separates you from everyone else is the trading psychology and the trading mindset. Okay. That is why I decided to start with this video series. And believe me that if you master this, then trading strategies and everything will come naturally to you. Okay. Now, in my course, which I am designing, that is a more structured way of explaining of how to take things step by step because everything on YouTube is random. Okay. Like when you go to a certain channel, you don't see the entire content over there. Yeah, you go for trading strategy to one channel and you go for trading psychology to one more channel. Okay. You go for spot investing to one channel, you go for futures trading to one more channel. You go for macroeconomics knowledge to one channel and you go for crypto education to one channel. Okay. So that is why in this video, what we in this channel, we decided that we'll make content in one platform, in one place, so that anyone who visits the channel, be it a pro crypto trader or be it a beginner crypto trader, gets all the info or the knowledge he needs to lay the foundation in order to become a good trader. Okay. Now, that is why I say that doesn't matter you are into crypto trading or stock market trading, please watch this video. Okay. Now, today we'll start with the basic, with the most important thing that which people don't use nowadays, because you see a lot of signal groups have been designed in crypto trading. Now, all they do is they give you trades, but they don't tell you how to put a stop loss and where to put a stop loss. Yeah. Now, I have devised a calculator which automatically tells me where to put the stop loss. I share it with my trading desk guys, but that is not important. Okay, that is just mathematics, and anyone who sits for 2 days and have decent knowledge of grade one mathematics can develop it. But in this video, let's take some live examples and try to understand that why stop loss is important and how you can train your mindset to do it. Okay. So having said that, the title of this video will be how to trade with stop losses. And like you can see, I've changed my chart design a little bit because in this video I need to run in live charts, and I'll explain you. Okay. Because in static charts explaining something, people won't understand that what is my mind and what is my psychology. Okay. Now, if you've seen in all the videos, the trading strategy which I gave for you in the way to in the last trading strategy which I posted about RSI divergence, you can see that I have taken up this example because this is something you guys understand, and I hope that you have watched the video. If you have not watched the video, watch it and see that how we break trade patterns and how we take trades in our group. Okay. Now you can see that in this analogy there was a clear corrective pattern over here, and 110% I don't need to see RSI, but if you see RSI, there'll be a very big divergence in RSI as well. Okay. So on the basis of that, we took a long trade, and now you can see that I always say the targets for the trade will be the golden pocket area. Now we can see that we have approached the golden pocket area, and I'm waiting for one more corrective pattern to form in the golden pocket area, on the basis of which I can take a short from, because uh, I am hoping that the price will do something like this, or at least test this region again over here. Yeah. So now, if I break down to simple Elliott wave analysis, then this will be the first long pattern from which I took a trade on, and I'll be looking for one more short pattern over here where I'll take a short trade from. Okay. So this is my trading strategy. Now I have developed a strategy and I'm waiting for price action to show me that. Okay. Now you can see that I'll wait for a high and then I'll wait for a higher high. Yeah, like you can see over here, it has tapped the top of the golden pocket perfectly and it has given a higher high over here. Okay, now what I will do as a trader is, because my strategy says so, as soon as it puts in a higher high and comes down, I will try to enter a trade. Okay, targeting over here. Now you can see that with 2% stop loss also, this is a 6 risk to reward ratio trade, or 11.7% rate just in spot. So if you do it at 10x leverage, this is a 110% rate. So the all the check factors to enter a trade get satisfied over here. That means you have entered a trade which satisfy your analogy. Now what I mean is, in lower time frame, this is a scalp trade. So if you see that this is the ABC which is formed, and you would want this A to correct at least something over here or here, and then take an uptrend. Okay, now but this is your plan. Yeah, that doesn't mean that market will do this. Okay, so there are two ways of seeing it. One is you put tight stop loss so that if market reverses on you, you are out of the trade. Yeah, because this is a scalping trade, so you're on the 15 minutes time frame. You would want to see such corrective patterns develop on much higher time frames, like 2 hours or 4 hours time frame, and only then you can enter a long swing trade pattern over here. Okay, so the first tick box was this type of trade is a scalping trade. The second tick box was it has reached our golden pocket, it has put in a higher high, and I am taking a trade on the basis of this swing failure that happened over here. Okay, now you can see trading strategy has got satisfied. Now you have entered the trade. Okay, now this gives you a lot of confidence. Why? Is because this is a trade you had planned before, or someone else had planned before. Like I put my daily analysis video, I put such setups. Okay, if you want to draw a parallel channel, which we normally use on our channel, you can see that this is tapping the top of the parallel channel also over here. Okay, so now you have 100% confidence that this trade is going to do very well. Okay, now there is a difference between 100% confident trade and being certain that a trade is going to play out. Okay, you can see that when this trade happened, you are already here in 2.3% profit. That means if 10x leverage, then you are in 23% profit already. Okay, so this is already giving you $230 from a $1,000 margin trade. Yeah, now you did not take any trade profits over here because you think that this will come down. Now this video is not about profit taking, this is about stop loss. Okay, now what will happen is I will not put a stop loss because I have thought that this trade I have entered is a very good trade, and I'm 100% confident, or I'm 100% sure. Like you see people saying that market will go down from here. There is no way that market is going to go up from here. Okay, if everything people say will happen, then everyone will make money in the market. Now what you have decided that, okay, this is the trade which will be 100% successful, so I am not going to put any stop loss over here. Yeah, and then you go and sleep, or you go and take a vacation. Okay, now you can see that if I am in a 10x leverage over here, then this is my first point of liquidation. Okay, 10%, because if I am 10x leverage, then 10 into 10 is 100%. Okay, so this will be my first layer where I will get liquidated. Okay, now you can see that, okay, I will reduce my leverage, and I will never get stopped out. That is the best way of doing it, so I will not put a stop loss. Now you take a 5x leverage. Okay, then you see that this is 20% over here where you will get liquidated. Yeah, so at 5x leverage, this is the point where you're getting liquidated, and at 10x leverage, this is the point where you're getting liquidated. Let's just mark this 10x leverage. Yeah, you can see that I have marked this, and it's looking quite clear over here. Yeah, and this is 5x leverage. Yeah. So if I have taken a 5x leverage, then I'm 100% sure that the trade is not going to fail against me. Yes. And I'm 100% confident that no, I am not going to put any stop loss and I am going to wait. Okay. Now you see how I'll build up your psychology here. Now you play the trade and you see first what will happen is you reach over here, which is almost 50% if you are in 10x leverage. Okay. Here, or let's say that 20x leverage mark was somewhere over here. Yeah, because if you take 20x leverage, then we just if you take 20x leverage, then what is going to happen is uh, 20 into 5 is 100%, so you're going to get liquidated if price moves by 20 per 5 price moves by 5%. Okay, so this is 20x leverage. Now you can see that if you are in 20x leverage, you are already liquidated over here. Yeah. Now let's go further. Now people are thinking that okay, it has already gone further. Now it has come back to your entry again. You still don't exit the trade because your entry is already bad now. You see, price is put in a significantly higher high, 5% up. You still hold on to the trade. It goes down, and here you are in more confident that okay, now it has reached the top, now it is not going to reverse back on me. So what I'll do is I'll not take any profits, I will not put any stop loss. Now 100% it is going to go something like this and come down, and I am going to exit the trade after it hits my take profit. Okay, then you sit, market reverses on you. You can see here 10x leverage guys got liquidated directly. Yeah. And then you, what you have done is, if you are in 10x, if you are in 20x, you are already out of the market and you're cursing the market that it is manipulated, it is this, it is that, thousands of things that you know what you do. I don't need to explain you. Yeah, but the people with 5x leverage are thinking that okay, now we have already gone from here to here. Yes, which is almost a 15% rise. Now definitely price is going to go down. At least it is going to come here. Now you pray that please come here so I can close my position and get out of this position, because already this has become a very bad position for me. Okay, you are in a lot of negative PNL, and you don't want to close your trade. Yeah, now you're waiting for market to reverse little bit so you can close. Now what will happen is market will consolidate in that area, show you some pattern that okay, I'm going to come down. Yeah, you can see that it has dropped already from here to here, so you're getting some confidence that it is going to come down. But you see what is going to eventually happen is, if you are in 5x leverage also, such small leverage, you have finally got liquidated here. Yeah, you can see that here the trade which you took here, you sat in this trade for almost 3 days and 13 hours, and after that you have got liquidated. Okay, so this is, see, you see how trading psychology and building this is important, because the trade that you entered is a very good trade. There is nothing wrong in the trade that you entered. Yeah, but you can see that you have already got liquidated over here. Yeah, now you see that if you take even a lesser leverage than 5x and you still hold this trade and you don't go out, yeah, you can see that from here to here is 34% rate, 34% rise. Yeah, now what is happening is you have already missed this long, from which you have got 34, which you would have got 34% in spot only. Yeah, and even if your leverage was over here was 3x, you would have still got liquidated. Yeah, so you see, lower leverage is not going to protect you. Stop loss is what protects you. Now, a lot of signal groups over there, they give you stop losses of 10%, 20%. But you see here, price moved by 35%. And because this was a sure shot trade, because it satisfied all your trading strategy that you have backtested for a period of 6-7 months, you have put in a lot of margin here. Yes. And you can see all your margin has got liquidated. Instead, what you could have done is you could have exited this position with 2% stop loss over here. And then you could have analyzed the market again to see that is it bullish or not. You can see market is constantly consolidating at this support level over here. Yeah. and now it is not even reaching the support level, and you can see the candles which are forming are so big. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, and you are holding on to a short thinking that market will go down. Okay, why don't you exit from here and you take a long position as it breaks this high over here, and you target this long? This way, your bias of sitting in a trade is gone. Okay, but no, you will follow big channels on Twitter who says that market will go down to 10k, and you wait for something like this to happen. Okay, so doesn't matter 20x, 10x, 5x, 3x, you would still get liquidated. Okay, maybe after you have got liquidated, market will come back on you and show you the pattern. The trade will happen, but you're not here. You already got liquidated after 3 days of sitting in a losing trade. Yeah. So I hope, guys, that this video made a lot of sense, and I'm sure that you've understood that why trading with stop loss is very important. Okay. If you're here for scalping and you're sitting in front of your charts all day, then you don't need to trade with stop loss. Just target your goal. If your goal of $100 per day is achieved and you exit the trade, then that's up to you. But if you are looking for swing trading and you're not good in trading, trade with stop losses, okay, and learn how to shift your bias. Yeah. So I think that this video made a lot of sense, and thank you for watching, guys. I'll be back with one more video like this, explaining you on live chart that how you can avoid mistakes, and all this. If you perform correctly, then you will become a profitable trader. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.